Morning, guys. So right now, you guys, we got McDonald's. And we are watching Hotel Hell. So that's what we're doing. Hey guys.
Hi guys.
So,
oh my gosh, it is hot.
So it is hot right now. We just got wet to the Dollar Tree.
We're gonna do a project.
Yeah, we are doing a project. We are gonna try. We are
gonna try to
do
paint, guys. I'm not good at that kind of stuff, but we'll try.
But we have some chocolate.
We got new chocolate that we want to try.
Hershey's. So we have
some hazelnut,
salted caramel, and cotton candy.
I'm not interested in the cotton candy. Is not gonna taste cotton candy-ish.
No, it's hard to say. But this one, we open this one up.
So they're ice cream flavors.
No, only on ice cream flavors.
Yeah, they are.
They're just the design that they did.
No, it's an ice cream flavored brand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one's the chocolate hazelnut.
It tastes like chocolate with hazelnut in it.
I just taste chocolate. But it's so good. What's in our palettes to make sure we are not cheating. Some people say you cheated.
Yeah. I'm not in the frame.
You're not in the frame?
Half of my face can be.
Move in then.
Oh, it's hot.
So this one's salted caramel that we are gonna try next. Whichever got that one.
I'm excited. I like salted caramel.
No, the other one.
I like it.
I would say 5.
Yeah.
Okay, this one's salted caramel.
Yeah, I like that. It's more butterscotch flavored to me, but
That's same with me.
But it's okay. Butterscotch and caramel are basically the same.
Oh, it says toffee. Salted caramel and toffee. It tastes like butterscotch, not salted caramel. And last but least, it is.
I love how blue it is.
Look how blue it is. Okay, cotton candy.
It's so pretty.
Does it taste like cotton candy that much? Tastes like bubblegum.
Tastes like white chocolate.
So the best one was the chocolate one. And then the salted caramel. And then the cotton candy was
I think the salted caramel was my favorite.
Really?
Yeah.
I would say the chocolate and then salted caramel and then...
It just tastes like blue white chocolate.
Okay, so you order.
Salted caramel, the hazelnut one, and then the cotton candy.
So mine is the chocolate. This one. Then this one.
You can't just paint
candy.
White chocolate blue and then call it cotton candy.
It tastes like bubblegum. That's why I'm getting a feel of it. So that's what we are gonna do. So I'll talk to you guys when we get home. Hey guys, I transformed the bins into them containers right there, you guys. Look how clean these are. Organized. I organized this to color code things. From Nintendo to PlayStation for Xbox and Atari. So that's pretty cool and exciting.
Guys, what's up? We're on our way to Boston Pizza because it's his dad's birthday.
Surprise.
It won't be a surprise after this, but...
Nah, most likely.
I'm eating Jube Jubes.
She's craving Jube Jubes, you guys.
But we bought his dad Jube Jubes because he likes and Reese's Pieces.
Because we know Dad likes Reese's Pieces. So that's what we're gonna do. We are going to Boston Pizza, which is gonna be
These
fun.
are soft Jube Jubes.
Yeah, supposed to be soft, but do you expect?
No, but sometimes Jube Jubes, like these are quality Jubes.
Quality Jubes. They're supposed to be soft.
That's a black one. That's a black one. Don't eat it. You're gonna die.
I don't like it.
You're eating.
It's not my favorite, but I would eat it if I have to.
Look, there's a flour. And there's
Flour.
a piece of bread.
Lemon. No, that one's lime.
That doesn't look like a lime.
Oh, that's sushi.
A sushi?
Lemon.
A grape?
I don't know. But that's what we're doing. So it's
A
gonna be
bin?
fun.
So
And
yeah. That's what we're doing. Goodbye.
I'm excited. Bye. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ron. Happy birthday to you. And many. You guys, we're at Dad's place. We are going to watch Amazing Race Canada. Now, you guys, we are going to watch Lilo and Stitch, so that's what we are watching. I'm going to today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a new video. Goodbye.